Fish on. Damn. Oh. Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, we're up here in Middle Tennessee at a place called Estelle Springs. We came up here last night to go to a softball tournament today, but it got rained out. So now I have all day to fish this creek right here. This creek is Rock Creek. It runs into the Elk River, which the Elk River then runs into the Tennessee River. There's supposed to be largemouth, smallmouth, and trout in here, and pretty sure there's some brim, bluegill, and stuff like that. So we're going to try to see what we can fish out of here today. So stay tuned. While I was sitting here tying this on, I've seen 2 or 3 fish jump. They seem to be pretty big, but I'm using my trusty old Shakespeare ready to fish trout rod, light action, 4-pound mono. I tied on this crawdad crankbait. We can throw this around, see if we can't coach something out of here. See if I can get closer to the water and not mire up. It looks pretty, yeah, it's all rocky. Figured since this is called Rock Creek and everything, I see a bunch of rocks. There should be some smallmouth in here, and they should be crawdads. So we're gonna throw this thing around for a little bit. If it don't work, I'll throw on a goat minnow. There's a boat ramp right over there I might walk to here later on. Oh. I snagged a rock. Thought I had a bite. Almost bit me. Never fished here before, never been here before, really don't know nothing about this spot, so we're gonna learn, find out on our own. Oh. Well, I gotta deal with these trees. Let's see if I can get my knee on this rock without falling in. Well, here comes the pleasure boaters. Yay. Alrighty. Alright, I got my goat minnow tied on, hooked up, split shot sinker. You know, I'll keep referring back and going back to these. I have confidence in these things. So when something's working, I just don't see why you should switch up and use something different that you're not comfortable with or confident in. These things catch almost everything. Trout, bass, bluegill, you name it. I mean, it's a minnow. That's what fish eat, so. Let's see if we can't coach something out with this thing now. I usually give a medium to slow roll with little twitches to make the worm look like it's, you know, doing this stuff. Sometimes a little pause. Usually if you give it that little pause, usually a fish will bite, or you end up on the bottom and get hung up. Fish on. Yay, the skunk is off. About time. Quick release. Bluegill. Well, at least I caught one. I casted way over here. Alright, I was right over there a few minutes ago. Came over here to the boat ramp. There's a sign that says that you can't swim or fish from the boat ramp or the courtesy dock. So I went to the store before I came over here and got me some worms. And the only spot over here is this one spot that I'm at right now, and it's about a 3 or 4 foot drop off to the water and a bunch of brush. So hopefully I won't catch nothing big, because most people don't say that, because if I caught something big I wouldn't ever get it up here. My line would break. And hopefully with this worm, by this brush pile that's in the water, maybe I'll catch something. If I don't catch something within a couple minutes, I'll probably end up back over there at that bridge now that I got some live bait, to see if that makes any difference. I caught that one bluegill, so I know there's bluegill over there, and usually if there's bluegill, they'll hit worm before they'll hit anything else. And I was looking on the map. Somewhere right over there looks like a city park. Looks like there was a fishing dock over there. I might walk down the road, check it out. Yeah, see, we got all this bush right here, then drop off. I might could get down there, but I can't tell if that's actually solid or not, or if it's just a bunch of leaves on top of the water. It looks solid. Sometimes it can be deceiving though. Fish on. Alrighty. Nice little, is he a bluegill? He might be a bluegill or red breast, I'm not sure. Okay, that didn't take real long. I kept getting snagged in those bushes and on the bushes in the bank, so came back over here where I started off at. Now that I got a worm, see if we can't get something out of here without getting snagged on the bottom all the time. So here we go. All right, let's sit down for a spell. Cast over here under this bridge. I got hung and broke off. I got a feeling I'm gonna get hung up a lot, but I got a fish on. That didn't take long. Heck yeah, people. Alrighty. Let's do this, not drop the rod in the water. There's that bluegill. There you go. And right back to where he was at. I wonder if there's any more over there. Usually where there's one, there's more. Come on. Little one. The little one. Boy, they hit hard when they first hit. You think you got something big on there. Then they just don't fight. Yeah. Oh. He's a good fighter, whatever he is. That's a bluegill. I'm gonna be impressed. Oh. Well, I fin hooked him. That's why. No, I didn't. I caught him. He was caught under his fin there. I think. Come on, buddy. Oh, he swallowed that. Keep the hook, but it's a good size one. Alrighty. Maybe I was fishing in the wrong spot with the wrong bait. We'll get another hook on here. Fish on. Almost didn't feel him hit it. telling you what, these things put up a good fight. Come on. Well, that might be one. Heck yeah, look at that. Caught me a catfish, not even catfishing. Check him out. He's pretty. You gonna talk? Huh? You ain't gonna talk to him no more? Got him right in the corner. Oh, I'm gonna have pliers for you there, buddy. Oh. Check out this hook. So I can find it. Things all been out of shape. You talk to, oh, you feisty. Yep, 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 yep. Alright. Let's let you go there, buddy. You ready? He's gone. Fish on. That, as soon as I said that and turned the camera off, he bit that. Cool. And he didn't swallow it. Good deal. Check him out. Nice healthy one. Well guys, I'm taking a break. It's hot out there. It's about 15 after 12. Middle of the day. It's not really a good time to fish. It's usually the hottest time of the day. Not only that, we rented a house up here so we could go to the tournament that got rained out today. So we got this house all weekend, and the water is less than 5-minute walk from here. Less than that, really. I can see the water. But I'll probably go back down at about round 4 or 5 and fish till dark, maybe. I don't know, it depends on what the wife and kids and everybody else's plans is. And then we'll fish some more. I went and checked out a spot on the other side of the bridge, but when I got over there, it said private property, no trespassing. So somebody probably messed it up for everybody else. So anyways, I'll see you in about 4 hours, which should be about 1 second from now for you. It's about 4 o'clock. I'm back down here in the same spot again. I got on my Google Maps and looked around. Every place that is close to the water is private property. Someone lives on it, this and that. This is the only place in walking distance from where we're staying at that I can actually fish at. I mean, that house right up there, that's where we're at. That's how far away I had to walk. So yeah, we're just gonna keep on seeing what we can catch today.
Well, I love you. I'll let you fish.
All
right. See you, brother.
See. I resorted to using a float, y'all. I got tired of getting hung up. Oh, well, he swallowed it. But I got my hook back. There he is. I know. Oh, there we go. There's that one. So this old man, he was fishing next to me there in that white truck. He came over, started talking to me. He's telling me to tie on a black and white silver popper and go over here, go under the bridge, and run this wrong through there, and there should be some big largemouth down there. So I'm gonna heed his secret knowledge and go see if he's telling me the truth, see if I got any luck catching these things. I hope if I do hook one, I hope I can get one in with this 4-pound line. But I'll see you when I get there. Walked over here earlier this morning. I looked off this bridge and I didn't see no way to get down there. It looked all overgrown. He said there was a way. I guess we're gonna find out. I mean, it is a little overgrown, but I guess I can make it. Get these honeysuckles out of the way. He says he comes over here more than he does over there, so I don't see that as being true. He's gonna get me snake bits, what he's gonna do. Ooh, almost fell. Watch out for spider webs. Alright, we over here now. Heck yeah. Hold on. Let me get this all off of me. And he says right out here next to this pylon, it's about 40 foot deep, I think he said. Let's get down here. I'm gonna sit down for a second. See, I think this is what I should have been doing this morning when we were actually chasing bait. Fish on. Heck yeah. Yeah, check that out. Hey, thank you, man. Check him out. Awesome. I got to take a picture of that. There you go, buddy. Here you go, good pound and a half. He's gone. Fish on.
Yep.
Oh, another nice one.
And that ain't a bad fish, is it?
It's about the same size as that last one I had.
Yep. Yeah, one thing about those, yeah, man, one day needed to eat fish for the fill him up
Yep.
for breakfast. Now that's plenty big enough right there.
Oh yeah. Now, that's a pretty fish. Alright, let's let him go. Thank you for playing, buddy. And he's gone. I think we got him stirred up.
How's it going?
Good.
Y'all wearing them out?
Trying to.
Yeah. Y'all had any luck at all?
I just came over here. He told me a while ago about coming over here and using poppers, and I've got 2 nice largemouth.
Oh, okay. Well, I catch all kinds of them over here, bud. Me and the boys was over here yesterday, day before. Yeah. Well, I can't keep track of time. But I caught one, drug him in right there. Yeah. And I drug him up just where he could see above the water while he turned and snapped that 10-pound line and away he went.
Yeah.
He was going so quick it wasn't funny.
Largemouth or?
Largemouth, yeah. And he pulled one out of here with about that long, had a head on about a bigger round.
Yeah.
They're running up in that road over there, and they come right around through here, and then they go up that side over there.
I appreciate it.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. You having a good day?
It's been all right so far. It's on the pole there, it's coat hanger. It's good. Y'all both got those lifetime. That's awesome.
Yeah.
This time of the year, you can't get but about 20.
Yeah, I don't know if it showed up, but game warden just showed up down here and checked us, and I lost 2 fish. I don't think. Oh. What did I hook into? A stick.
Yeah, you catch tree bass out here every so often.
Oh yeah, I'm good at that.
Yeah, I am too.
Well, good morning. We're headed back down here under this bridge on the other side where we stopped at yesterday and see what the morning bite's gonna be like, y'all. So stay tuned, here we go. All right, they're already busting on top of the water. I've been seeing about 4 or 5 of them as I was getting down here to the water. Oh, see if we can keep him on. Oh, he slid it again. These fish are mean. They're spitting hooks at you. Fish on. Stay on. Stay on. Come on. Don't get in that rock. Oh, no. He got my lure too. Alright. Oh! Oh well. He took my lure. I don't know if I got another one. But I did have another popper. It's a little bit of fatter one. A little bit different color, but I think it should still work. Alright, I lost my other popper into a tree. And so I'm gonna throw this on. It's a minnow. Makes noise. They're chasing minnows, so maybe it'll work. Floating minnow that I had is just too big of a profile. This is about the size that they're going after. So let's try this goat minnow on this side. See if they'll go after it. They don't seem to be busting the top, chasing them like they was yesterday. So let's see. Fish on. Got that drag up a little bit. I don't want to loosen it too much or tighten it too much. Stay on, buddy. Stay on. Jump right on. Oh, this ain't a... Well, it is a bass. Not the kind that I was looking for, but hey, fish is a fish. Ow. Quit sticking me. There we go. I think he's a white bass. He don't look yellow to me. He's either white or yellow bass. Nice size one though. Alright, let's let him go. Alright guys, well the morning bite wasn't on fire like the evening bite was. And I think I probably lost more fish than I caught. But all in all, this was a good trip. It was fun. And I caught 4 different species. You know, I caught little catfish, bluegill, largemouth, And I'm pretty sure that last one was a white bass. It might have been yellow. I'm not sure. Either way, it was a bass. Like I said, had fun. Got to fish a new spot never been to. Didn't even know this place was here. So I don't know if I'll ever come back or not, but if I do, I know where I'm going to fish. So and thanks to that old dude telling me where to go and what to use, that helped me out a lot. And like the 4th time that I've been checked for license by the game warden. So you know. Anyway, if you like this, please hit that thumbs up, leave a comment if you don't care, share it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. And yeah, as always, man, get outdoors, go do something, go fishing, go hiking, camping, and make memories. We'll see you on the next one.